ChatGPT and how to create blog content without getting penalized by Google. Hi, Tommy Olsson here. Yes, ChatGPT is a great resource, but if you only copy the text, the content that ChatGPT creates, maybe you have this bot to create a whole blog post and just copy in the text from ChatGPT, then Google may not rank your content because they want, they prefer human created content. But I'm going to show you a way to test if you want to save time using ChatGPT. First, you can create your free account at chat.openai.com. Down here you put in your question. I'm going to enter what is blogging because the topic is about blogging now. And then I clicked on this send arrow there. So next thing we go to a free bot that is called Quillbot. Quillbot, it just paste in the text. We just copy it here and then click on the paraphrase. You just copy and paste the whole text. And paste it in your blog post. Now, would you like a free training from a 7-figure earner on how he made his 7 figures without his own product, without a website or selling anything of his own? Then click the link below, and thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.